Hello everyone, my name is Mariusz and welcome to my channel. Before we dive into today's episode, I just want to take a moment to say thank you for the incredible response to my first video. It's honestly been amazing. I got over 1000 views, some of you decided to subscribe, and the comments were super positive. I really appreciate it, and it gives me even more motivation to keep going. So, huge thanks to all of you. Alright, let's get into today's topic. This episode picks up right where I left off last time. Last time I talked about building my own analytics system for the product I'm working on. My idea was to use an observer pattern to track all the events happening inside the app, collect the data in one place, and then push it to any analytics provider the developer chooses. Since then, I've made a good progress, and I'm happy to say that this approach is working really well. So let's break it down and see how I did it. I split my work into two separate frameworks, Core Observer and Core Analytics Manager. First handles tracking inside the app, and second is a custom analytics dashboard that collects and processes data. Now, let's talk about the Observer. This is a key tool for capturing events across the app. It works in the background, gathering important data, like screen transitions. So just by subscribing to it, you instantly start getting insights into how users navigate throughout the app. The Observer works with subscribers, and any class in the app can become one. Once subscribed, it starts receiving events and can decide what to do with them. For now, we are just logging the events along with some additional metadata. As you can see, just by subscribing, we start gathering valuable insights on how users navigate through the app. But like I mentioned earlier, this setup doesn't just track events, it also gives developers the flexibility to send data anywhere. If a developer prefers Firebase Analytics, for example, they can integrate it in just a few lines of code. Here I'm adding Firebase Analytics as a provider, and that's all it takes to start collecting user behavior data. The best part? This observer integrates seamlessly with my custom analytics dashboard. Here's the simplest way to start collecting data and visualizing it inside the dashboard. I'll be integrating this tracking and analytics system into my product, as well as the apps I develop in the future. It's easy to integrate, and even basic tracking provides a solid foundation to start gathering insights. Now let's talk about the future of this channel. I want to keep making videos about tech, coding and my ideas, but I also want to hear from you, the viewers. Would you like to see more coding deep dives? Or maybe you prefer videos where I talk about ideas without getting too technical? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one and I would love to get your feedback. In my next video, I'll be talking about a project I'll be releasing to the public very soon. If you caught the sneak peek at the start of this video, you might have already seen the logo and app title. It's a productivity app that I use every day, and I think it'll be really useful, not just for the developers, but for anyone looking to improve their workflow. But I will talk about it more next time. If you like the content and you want to see what I prepared for the future, consider subscribing and leave a like. This really helps a lot. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.